Yeah, welcome back again. Once more again. How to Shazam a song. Firstly, if you on your data, you open your Shazam app. Remember, it's very simple and understandable. So after opening the app, you tap on this icon, this icon. Remember, you bring your phone close to the music that you want to Shazam. It's very simple. Then another thing, if it is not searching, if it's not getting the music, go more closer to the phone or where the music speaker is. Okay, while we are moving, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. It's having tough time to search the music and playing with other phone, so we have to keep forward, going more closer to the phone. Okay, since it's not connecting, what's the next thing? We have to go back and retry it again. Okay, just retap on that s. Okay, see the song that I'm looking for, If You Know Love by Chike. Thanks for watching.